Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna here, aka Beauty's Advocate. If it's your first time visiting, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. And I just felt like being extra today. We've been in the house for so long. I haven't slayed my face like this in a while. So felt like doing something extra. Today I will be using JLaRue cosmetics products. She had a $5 glitter sale. I think it was like either right before or right after. I think it was right before Christmas, or maybe it was around Black Friday, one or the other. So today I did use the Mahogany Obsidian setting powder, and I also used the White Diamond chunky glitter. So that's what I used to create this look. Other than that, for all of the matte colors, I used the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
Over it, or could it be that I'm aggravated? Why you be acting like you was the man? I'm not a fan. What do you not understand? Remember all them times when you told me lies? Stayed up all night, all I did was cry. Said, remember all them times when you told me lies? Stayed up all night, and all I did was cry. Now you acting all hard through the breakup. The only back around here is my makeup. On too much, I call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. I think it's all overrated. Or could it be that I'm jaded? I don't love you no more. I'm ready to explore. So long to you, thought I knew you. Guess I didn't have your heart. So long to you, thought I knew you. I'm ready for a brand new start. Acting all hard through the breakup. The only back around here is my makeup. You're putting on too much, call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. Boy, I'm tired. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Don't you even think about it. You keep coming back, I'm not about it. Done. Thought you was the one. Boy, back to where you're from. I'm tired. Boy, I'm tired. Don't wanna be. I'm tryna be with you. You're tryna be with me. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. It's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Boy, bye. to know me, tapping into that good energy. And I'm more for something carefree. Pour a drink, have a seat next to me. Yeah. Touching my skin, got us both wanting more. Breath on my neck, got my clothes all over the floor. Why can't we just start the plan? No more holding back. Done with the waiting, got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that? Like that, like that, yeah. Baby, can you stop hesitating? No more second thoughts, stop delaying. Got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? You're like 24 karat. Baby, I'ma let you hold me, let you see the hidden side that no one sees. Keep it low key, we're making no apology. Cause you had a gun, now you don't. My man like me, I'm all alone. Way better not like Post Malone. Find me in Japan, just like honey, like this. Shopping, you're so yummy, yeah. Touching my skin, got us both wanting more. Breath on my neck, got my clothes all over the floor. Now, can't we just start the plan? No more holding back. Done with the waiting, got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that? Like that, like that, yeah. Baby, can you stop hesitating? No more second thoughts, stop delaying. Got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? You're like will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? You're like 24 karat. With a love like that, yeah, yeah, like that. With a love like that, yeah, 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 yeah. With a love like that, yeah, 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 yeah. I've been waiting for a friend, asking what we've got left. Cause you left me years ago, but you're still in my bed. Oh, I gotta get away fast. Oh, I gotta get away fast. I gotta get away fast. Used to love you as the sun sets. Can see us as two, want to touch you, but I can feel you pulling on my heartstrings now. I can feel you pulling on my heartstrings now. Hey, is there anyone home? Hey, got lost somehow. Used to love you as the sun sets. Can see us as two, want to touch you, but can feel you pulling on my heartstrings now.
I'm a down south with a west coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. Palm trees when I walk outside. I'm a down south with a west coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. When I walk outside. I'm a down south with a west coast vibe. No, I don't gotta choose sides. No, I ain't gotta choose sides. Oh no, still gotta rep mine. I remember stepping out with the retro 5. No, I don't gotta choose sides. No, I ain't gotta choose sides. Oh no, still gotta rep mine. I'm a down south, yeah, represent me. Used to bang Bum B, Big Mo and Pepsi. But I came to LA, so I bang YG. Here all day for a fit, now I'm feeling cocky. 9 bands on me, feeling like a Rondo. Get that money coming, want it pronto. Downtown, I had to cop a condo. Down south, I had it poppin', poppin'. Shawty say she staying up in Noho. She don't need me no more. I'ma teach her something that she don't know. I'ma come through, baby, solo. Are you up for this? I'm just tryna cross it off my bucket list. Said she from Atlanta cause she just moved. Look me out of the eye, said, boy, you smooth. I'm a down south with a west coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. Palm trees when I walk outside. I'm a down south with a west coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. When I walk outside. I'm a